Dear children, get ready to discover awesome action verbs. They are like superhero words that help you do amazing things. They let you fly, save the day, and tackle any challenge with super strength. Join us in this video where we will learn these powerful words together just like superheroes do. Let's dive in and have some fun with verbs. Do you know what action verbs are? Let's find out. What's the child doing? Brush. He's brushing the teeth. Eat. Eating food. Study. Girls are studying. Play. The kids are playing. So children, action verbs are words that show what we can do. Let's find out what else we can do. We can sing. We can dance. We can swim also and laugh. So children, action verbs are like superpowers. They help us express all the cool things we do every day. So think about what your superhero can do. Let's discover more together. Have you thought what your superhero can do? Children, on this image, you see words like fly, vanish, lift, zoom, teleport, and freeze. These all are action verbs. They describe amazing things superheroes can do. Action verbs are like superpowers in language, making our actions exciting and powerful. They help us tell stories and imagine all the incredible feats we can achieve. So, just like superheroes, let's explore these action verbs together and see how they bring our words to life. Dear kids, I have already explained you that verbs are special words that help us understand what is happening in a sentence. They tell us what the people or things are doing. Let's look at some examples. Look at the first sentence. The hero flies over the city. Dear children, here flies is an action word because it tells us that the hero is moving through the air over the city. Next example. With superhuman strength, they move mountains. Children, the verb move is an action word because it tells us that they are making the mountains change their position, which is an action. Faster than speeding bullet, they rush to help. Rush is a verb. It tells us that they are moving very quickly to help someone or something. So verbs help us understand what's happening in a sentence. They give us clues about the actions or movements of the people or things involved. Can you think of some other verbs that might be used in these sentences? Think, dear children, think. Let's look at some more examples. The hero lifts the boulder with ease. Here, the verb lifts is an action word. Why? Because it tells us that hero is moving the boulder, which is an action. Next sentence. The hero flies over the city. Flies is a verb. It tells us that the hero is moving through the air over the city, which is again an action. And the next one is they zoom to rescue. Can you spot an action word? Yes, it's zoom. It's a verb. It tells us that they are moving quickly to help someone or something, which is again an action. So children, have you understood why these all are action verbs? Yes, these are action words because they describe the actions or movements of our superhero. They help us understand what is happening and what the superhero is doing. Without verbs, the sentence can't make any sense. Now, as you have learnt What are verbs? Are you ready to unleash your inner superhero? I'm going to talk about some amazing verbs that will help you become the best version of yourself. So first, we have the verb ignite. This means to set your passion ablaze and let it guide you. When you ignite your passion, my dear children, you will find the energy and motivation to fulfill your dreams. Next, I have empower. This means to believe in yourself and your abilities and know that you can achieve anything in the world. When you empower yourself, you will feel confident and ready to take on any challenge. Now, let's talk about the word triumph, which means to overcome any obstacle and come out on top. When you triumph, you'll feel proud of yourself and know that you can handle anything life throws your way. Finally, it's inspire, which means to motivate others to greatness. When you inspire others, you will create a ripple effect of positivity and help others become their best selves. So, how can you start using these verbs to unleash your inner superhero? Here are some tips, dear children. Ignite your passion by doing something you love every day. Empower yourself by believing in your abilities and taking calculated risks. Triumph over obstacles by staying focused and persistent. Inspire others by sharing your story and being a positive influence. Remember, being a superhero isn't just about having superpowers, it's about having the courage to be yourself, the confidence to take risks, and the heart to help others. So go out there and unleash your inner superhero. Bye bye.